Here is a Thomas Industries 38-inch hugger. This was actually my fan. I sold this to Donald quite a few years ago now. And a couple years ago I installed it right here, part on his display, because this fan well deserves it. You don't see too many of these Thomas Industry huggers at all. So I don't remember how the controls are on this. I gotta come over here to do the control the speeds. So I believe this is high. Yeah. So this is high speed. So it goes off, high speed, click it again, then that's how you get your variable speed. So if I click it again, I should slow the fan down, which it is. Slow it down a little bit more here. So that's about low speed on here. I'll bump it up a little bit more to about it, hopefully medium-ish. That's like a medium low. Bump it up a little more. That's about a medium. Fast medium, more like a medium high. That's full on the switch. Which is almost no different than the actual high speed on the high speed setting on the switch. Pull chain anyway. Pretty good air mover. And that's off. So anyway, that's it, and until next time.